Here in this video, we'll be again looking at a problem based on combination and permutation. I've been doing a lot of videos on this topic because this is actually a very wide topic and aptitude sections usually focus on these type of questions. So let's look at the problem. A committee of 5 policemen are to be chosen from a group of 10 policemen. Out of 10, 7 are armed and 3 are unarmed. A committee must not contain more than one unarmed member. How many such committee can be formed? Okay. So there are a total of 10 policemen and we have to form committees of 5 policemen. So they want to know the different number of combinations of committees that can be formed. So we have to form, just excuse me for a minute. We have to form a group of 5 from 10. Now the question gives us a condition, and that is a committee must not contain more than one unarmed member. So there are a total of 7 armed and 3 unarmed. And the condition is that a committee must not contain more than one unarmed member. That means a committee can be in 2 different forms. First form, it can contain all 5 members as armed members. Or it can contain 4 members as armed and 1 unarmed member. Why? Because the condition states that the committee must not contain more than one unarmed member. So it can be 0 unarmed or 1 unarmed. So I have 2 possible conditions. First we'll be looking at this type of committee where all 5 of the members are armed members. Okay. So I have to form a group of 5 armed members. And how do I do that? I'll be choosing 5 members from how many people? 5 members from, is it 10 or is it 7? Now I want to be sure that all 5 of them are armed members. Then I will choose from these 7 armed members only. I will ask these 3 unarmed to go to one side and I'll choose from these 7 armed members. Because if I choose from 10, if I choose from all of these 10, I can't be sure that I'll get 5 members who are armed. So I have to choose 5 members from 7 armed members. So we'll find the combination for this. I'll be choosing 5 from 7 and this will give me 21. It's 7 factorial by 5 factorial and 2 factorial. 7 into 6 into, it's just 7 into 6 because 5 factorial will get cancelled, right? So down here we'll have 2 into 1. So I'll have 21, right? So there are 21 ways to form 5 armed members committee. So I have 21 ways. Now let's move on to this type of committee. In this committee there are 4 armed members and 1 unarmed member. So how do we find out the different number of combinations? Okay, so I'll be drawing these blanks. So we have 5 possible slots for 5 members. Out of this, 4 of them, order does not matter at all. We are taking combination, not permutation. So it does not matter if the unarmed members here or wherever. I just need 4 armed members. And I need 1 unarmed member. First, let's look at 4 armed members. From where do I choose these 4 armed members? I choose it from this 7 armed members. Only then will I be sure that I'll get armed members. If I'm choosing from total 10, I could get an unarmed member and not even know it. So I'll have to take 7C4 and this will give me 7C4 gives me 7 factorial, 3 factorial and 4 factorial. I'll have 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 3 into 2. So I'll have 35. 7 factorial, 7C4 is equal to 35. This is 7C4. So this is equal to 35. It's not yet complete. We also have to find out how to choose this one unarmed member. So this one unarmed member will be chosen from how many unarmed members? 3 unarmed members, because there are a total of 3 unarmed people. So 3C1 will give us 3. So this is 3. Now what do? Do I add it or do I multiply it? I'll have to multiply. Why is that? Because this committee must contain 4 armed members and 1 unarmed member. Now there are times when even I get confused about whether it's multiplication or addition. During all of those times, what I do is I just try to frame a sentence in my mind. So in this case, a committee must contain 4 armed members and 1 unarmed. So I'll automatically have multiplication. So I'll have 35 into 3 and that will give me 105. So this is 105. So we have 21 in this case, 21, and here we have 105. Now what do we do with both of these combinations? We have to find out the total combination. Here again let's try to frame a sentence. The groups of 5 from 10 the committees can be chosen either 5 members armed or 4 armed members and 1 unarmed members. It's or, either or. Or will always be addition. So I'll have 21 plus 105 and this will give me 126. So there are 126 different possibilities of committee that can be formed from 10 policemen. So this is how you solve this problem. If you want more questions of this type, please subscribe to my channel. I'll make videos based on this topic. Thank you.